guys, welcome back to my channel. For the new subscribers, my name is Rosie. Welcome. As you can see by the title, I am doing a quick clothing rack assembly. I just thought this video might be fun, so I'm just going to do a quick voiceover for the video. First of all, don't judge me, guys. The room is messy, very messy, and I'm so sorry about that. Okay, so as you can see, this is my old room, but I am no longer using this room as I have moved to a new room. So that's why you are now seeing this old room, and this is an old video. You get a drift. So okay, let me just stop blabbering and let's get right into it. I bought this clothing rack from my local store, as I was just running out of space from so much clothes, and my wardrobe are way too small to cater to all these clothes. I don't have a lot of clothes, but my wardrobe was too small and I didn't have much space, so that's why I went and buy this clothing rack. So this is not the typical YouTuber luxury clothing rack. As you can see, it's not that sturdy. You cannot put a lot of clothes on it as it cannot hold that much, but it definitely is a lifesaver. Yeah, so in the box it comes with an instruction manual and all the pieces that you need to use. It is super easy to build, very cheap, and very useful. Alright, I don't know why I'm talking like that, guys, but I guess I'm just excited for this video. Yeah. So I don't have much to say on this video, but you can see now that the clothing rack is coming along pretty well. I love how there are these two bars. There's a smaller one and a longer and a shorter one. There's a longer one and a shorter bar. The longer bar you can hang along your long dresses, your maxi dresses, your long pants or whatever. And then there's the shorter part where you can just hang your crop tops, your jeans, the short stuff. And yeah, okay, you can also, I bought this rack for two purposes. I bought it for hanging my clothes because I don't have much space, and I bought it for filming if I want to film clothing hauls. And I'm thinking of buying one from Amazon, the white ones, the more luxurious, beautiful white ones. I'm thinking of buying one of that too. And you can use this for hauls also when you are filming. Okay, so the rack is adjustable. You can just adjust it according to your length, to your desire, how short you want it to look. Yeah, it's pretty adjustable. Okay. So I don't think I have anything else to say. This is the final look. I hope you have enjoyed this little video. Thank you so much. I know it was quick. I wanted it to be quick because the room is already messy and it's really depressing me already watching this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. Like, comment and subscribe, and so I love you guys. Please don't forget to watch my other videos. I have other interesting videos on my channel, and if you have any more videos that you would like me to do, comment down below and I will surely do it for you. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.